Hi everyone, this is Marissa from RecPro.com. Thanks so much for joining us. Today we're going to be talking about one of our Alpha Fresh Water tanks. The part number for this tank is RP-388BLANK, that's 388 blank. This tank is 40 gallons and it is 39 inches by 18 by 14 inches. This tank is blank, which means it doesn't have any ports or fittings or anything like that, which means you can customize it to fit your rig. We also sell fittings kits for it to help you with that. Because it is blank, this tank will take 3 to 4 weeks to arrive. So just make note of that. Like we said, this is an Alpha tank, which is one of the top tank manufacturers in the world. So you know when you're getting this tank that you're getting quality. Thanks so much for joining us. To find out more about this product, just click on the link below. Make sure to subscribe, like, and also comment. And make sure when you're rolling down the road that you're rolling with RecPro.